Hey, and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now there's a question on the board for us to solve. It says solve 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power minus x equals what? Equals 10. Alright, so how do we solve this question? Let us go. Alright, now if I write this question, 2 raised to the power x plus 2 raised to the power minus x is equal to what? Is equal to 10. Alright, now I can rewrite this now as 2 raised to the power x plus 1 over 2 raised to the power x is equal to what? Is equals to 10. Okay, now anywhere I see 2 raised to the power of what x, I can equate it to what? A particular what value. So let's 2 raised to the power x be equal to, let's say what? M. Alright, so it means anywhere I see 2 raised to the power of x, I will slot in the what? The value of m. So from here I'm having m plus 1 over 2, beg your pardon, 1 over what? M is equal to what? Is equal to 10. Alright, so this is m over 1. So find the LCM of 1 and m, that is m. Divide m by 1 is m. M times m is m squared. Alright, divide m by m is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Equals what? Is equal to 10. Okay, so at this point I can easily cross multiply. I'm having m squared plus 1 is equal to what? 10 what? 10m. Is that understood? Okay, so m squared minus 10m plus 1 is equal to 0. So I have easily what? Formed a quadratic what? Equation. Now, how do I squared, all right, minus 10m plus 1 is equals to 0? Okay, now let me use the quadratic what formula, all right, because it is not factorizable. Okay, so from here our a here is what? The coefficient of m squared, which is 1. Okay, our b here is a coefficient of what? Of m, which is minus 10. Okay, and then our c is what? Is plus 1. Okay, now the quadratic what formula becomes m equals minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over what? Over 2a. Is that clear? So from here I'm having m equals minus, so what's my b? My b is minus 10. Okay, my b is minus 10, then plus or minus. Okay, if you check out this, the b here is minus 10, so I'm having minus 10 all squared minus 4 times our a is 1. Okay, and then our c is what? Is plus 1 over what? Over 2 what? 2 times what? 2 times 1. Take note of this. Okay, all right, so this is what? M equals minus times minus is plus, that is 10, plus or minus. Okay, now minus 10 squared is 100. Okay, that's 100. Minus times plus is minus. 4 times 1 will give us what? 4 over what? Over what? Over 2. Now this is equal to 10 plus or minus root 100 minus 4 gives us what? 96. So 96 over what? Over 2. Is that understood? All right, so for what you're having here, my m now is equal to, now I want us to take note of this. 96 is not a perfect square. So how do we get the square root of 96? Now I want to show us a simple method here. Just write here as 96, okay? Then look for the smallest number that can go in 96, which is 2. So 2 here is what? 48. Okay, 2 here is what? Is 24. All right, 2 here is what? Is 12. Okay, 2 here is what? Is 6. All right, 2 here is what? Is 3. Okay, and 3 here is what? Is 1. Is that clear? Now look for numbers that are of the same what type or the same kind. Now this is 2, this is 2. They are looking similar. All right, so I will make them what? Just 1, 2. Okay, these 2 and these 2, they are looking similar. I will make them just 1, 2. Now this other 2 here has no pair. This 3 here has no pair. So because they don't have any pair, they will not carry the what? The square root. So it becomes 2 times 2. Okay, that gives us what? 4. Again, then this 2 times 3, that is what? 6. And because they don't have any pair, they carry the what? The square root. Okay, so root 96 will give us what? 4 root 6. All right, so that is what our answer. So from what we are having here now, I'm having m is equal to 10 plus or minus 4 root 6 over what? Over 2. Is that clear? 4 root 6 what? Over 2. Now let's check out here. What is common here and here? 2 is common. So if I bring out 2, okay, 5 is left here, plus or minus 2 is left here, root what? Root 6 over what? Over 2. So 2 cancels 2. So at the end of the day now, my m now is equal to 5 plus or minus 2 root what? 2 root 6. Now that is what our m. But you're asked to find x and not what? And not m. And remember we said let 2 to the power x here be what? Be m. So at this point now, it's going to be 2 to the power x is equals to what? Is equals to m. Now I'm going to change this from indices, okay, down to what? Down to logarithm form. So it is what? In indices form. So change it to what? To logarithm form. So now how do I do this? It's going to be log. Okay, let me write it here. Okay, it's going to be log. Okay, now this is what? M. All right, log m. Now this 2 here becomes the base. Okay, and this x will be here. All right, so it's going to be x equals log m base 2. Am I communicating? So from what I'm having here, so if x is equals to log m base 2, this is equal to log base 2. Now, what is now our m? Our m is 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. So I'm having 5 plus or minus 2 root what? 2 root 6. So my x now, log 5 plus or minus 2 root 6 base what? Is 2. So that is what our answer. Thank you.